Thank you for joining me on this nature walk, Horatio. It's a perfect day to capture pictures of all nature's beauty.
Pleased to participate, cousin. Appreciate the invitation.
Oh, what a wonderful sight.
Spectacular shot. Woe is me! Looks like we're within a wink of some wetter weather, Francois.
I think you're right, cousin. Let's quickly find some shelter. Look over there! A mama eagle and her egg. Nature is truly spectacular.
I hope she'll share her shelter with us.
Whew, safe from the rain.
I sure hope it doesn't...
Thunder!
Oh no! The eagle's egg!
We better call the Paw Patrol!
Hiya, Captain Turbot. Hey, Francois. What's happening?
A mama eagle became frightened by the thunder and accidentally knocked her egg out of its nest.
Quick, Ryder! It's rolling rapidly down the mountainside.
Don't worry. No egg is too fast. No pup is too small. Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Ryder needs us! Paw Patrol ready for action, Ryder, sir! Thanks for hurrying, pups. A mama eagle's egg is rolling down the mountainside. Oh no! Poor Aggie! We'll need all paws on deck for this mission. I'll need all you pups to race to the rescue in your super speedy true metal vehicles. I'll follow in the Paw Patroller. We'll need it to transport the egg back to the nest. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Oh no! What's wrong, pups?
What if we get stuck in the mud, Ryder? Then who will rescue the egg?
Don't worry, pups. These are super speedy, extra powerful true metal vehicles. We've got this.
Ha! This mud is fun!
All right, pups. We'll need to speed up and surround the egg to bring it safely to a stop. Ready, set,
go! Ruff!
yeah!
Yeah! We did it!
All right. Awesome work, pups.
How will we get the egg back up the muddy mountainside, Ryder?
Nothing the power of the Paw Patroller can't handle, Rebel. Let's load it up. Okay, Robo-Dog, give it all the gas you've got.
Oh, what a beautiful reunion!
It was nothing. Glad we could help.
Oh, perfectly precious.
Whenever you got a problem, just... for help. Aw, so cute.